What are you doing?
I'm gonna get a weird fucking thing coming in here. Hold on. It's gonna come in with the audio real quick. Hold on. It's loading. Uh-oh. Dude, my computer is. Oh, there it goes. All right. How's everybody doing?
Everybody's doing good, man. Everybody's doing good. Oh, talk about market stagnation.
It's ripping right now. Dude, my computer's making my fucking eyes bleed. It's just lagging out.
Oh boy. Yeah, that 3 minute on Nvidia was it paid. It paid no
Oh,
matter.
do you see the so we were drawing out this level in the pre-market at, let's see what it was. It was like 272, where do I have it? 272.38. And the thesis on Nvidia that I was going over this morning was drop to the level, pop. It happened too quick for me to get it, but Kelly got it and fucking nailed it at open.
Oh,
Ooh, that's a good
yeah.
sound.
We were basically doing the same thing in masterclass over here.
Yeah.
Except I had a level at 273 even. And it came and it bounced, and by virtue of there being more free roam to the top side on the upper side of this level here at resistance and
Yeah.
the 200 EMA on the 1 minute, like literally right here, I'm like, okay, this thing is gonna break the 200 to try. It might trap you, but it didn't. It just kept going, right? So I mean, we could only speculate so much,
Mhm.
but you take the 3 minute traffic light, it rides you up, you break the 200, you're rimming the 13, you get your first on the 3 minute, you get your first uh smack of that 24 right there. Right. I mean that's actually still a really, really good move. I mean, if
Yeah.
you manage to get in on this candle, I mean, like he has $1.91, and then you get another traffic light that gets invalidated immediately with the break up the 24 here,
Mhm.
right? Immediately. Then you get a traffic light to the upside. You're playing it on this candle, and that's $1.52 move with NVIDIA. But
Pretty easy.
yeah, pretty wild here. Pretty wild here.
SPY has been defying gravity for the last week. I mean, not really. Like, if the data that's came out hasn't been like, oh Jesus, am I lagging the fuck out? The data that's come out has been relatively good. Um, Today there was nothing. So when you think about no data coming out today, well, it would make sense to see things either chop around or pick a direction and just go. So like exactly what we were saying in the morning, that choppiness that we were seeing in the market. I mean, we saw it for like the first hour. And then it slowly started to pick a direction, but nothing too crazy.
Nothing too crazy. No. We're waiting for that reversal to happen by noon, and you got it. It was really, really quick, and then
Yeah.
boom, right there in a 3 minute. That was wild. See, the thing is that traffic light again, once again, gets invalidated with the very next candle break over the 24 right here. So you just get your continuation here. Guys, the 3 minute, if you just play the 3 minute for exactly what it's showing you, and play and use this 24 as your guide, along with obviously reading your indicators, making sure everything is in agreement.
Hmm.
It's you're gonna win more than you're gonna lose.
Yeah.
You're gonna win a lot more than you're gonna lose. So, just keep that in mind.
Yep. I love
Uh,
the 3 minute. I hit Netflix and AMD today off the 3 minute. It was textbook, super easy, quick scalps.
ah, man, what do you think is gonna happen today? I mean, Tesla's earnings tonight, right?
Yeah, I'm not. I mean, that's what we were talking about in the morning too. Like everybody was like, "Yeah, I'm not going to trade Tesla today because the premiums are fucked up." And then some people did, and it's like, why would you do that? It doesn't make any sense. The risk to reward on it, just in terms of like contract prices, makes negative sense to be trading Tesla today.
Okay, let's see. So I'm banning myself from calling today. Hey, winning loser. Yeah, I don't think I would have answered you today. Him getting his sister pregnant was just a little too much for me today.
What?
Yeah, he's gonna be a father. He got his sister pregnant.
Who said that?
Winning loser.
No, he didn't. When did he say that?
He said that in my stream, bro.
Jesus, bro. You need like a something. You need to go to like Catholic school or something. Figure it out.
He needs more than Jesus.
He needs a lot of things.
Oh man. Had a blast with Spy today. PSARs and Thigh Gap kept me in a little longer. Hit 3% on the port and clocked out. Oh man. STV saw that girl I took to the put shack. Did he?
You sent me a picture of it.
Okay. She has all her teeth?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Winning loser, man. I don't know, man.
He's just a wild boy.
Hey guys,
Reversing
trying to
and retest?
differentiate between reversing and retest.
You don't. That's why you scale out at the retest point. That's why when you guys see me trade 3-minute thigh gap, I'm scaling out at the retest point. You never know. Simple as that.
Let's see. All right, let me get everything set up for call-ins. Winning loser, you are banned.
No winning loser today.
No winning loser. No. All right, and we're all set. Guys, 978-545-1348. One more time, 978-545-1348. I'll go ahead and include that in the chat. 978-545-1348. And
do it.
You guys got questions about trades? You guys got good news for us? We don't care. We want it. We want to hear it.
Mm-hmm. Yes. We got some fun videos coming out for you guys this week, too. Get ready for those.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I made a total new fucking mistake yesterday. Recorded a whole video. No audio. Like,
it happens.
Oh, man. Spy and Apple 1 minute late.
What are they saying? Yeah, they are flashing 1 minute here. Spy's got to break the 1 minute 48 to really continue that move. But let's see. You could come down to 413.68.
Yeah. Let's see. NVIDIA just being stubborn. Mm-hmm. Oh my.
I probably wouldn't trade anything here. I mean, maybe NVIDIA on the 3-minute looks all right. You could risk day high, but that's tight stop. If the market really reverses from here, that could get interesting. SPX has a traffic light down. Spy's got the same deal.
This could get interesting.
Yes. Futures are slipping. I mean, you need like that one big slip to really, really start things going in the other direction. I mean, the Spy's flat today. It's not like it's green. It's not like this has been a nice, big, solid green move. Like this thing is just teetering.
Yeah, very much teetering. It feels like yesterday.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Let's see. All right, guys, lines are open.
Lines are open. I mean, if we're not going to do these call-ins, maybe Gabe and I will just take this time to make more videos for you guys.
Much rather be doing that than hearing this radio silence because nobody's calling in.
Maybe. Oh, that's pretty cool. Do it. Spy turning back. Dude, this is just bait and switch city today, is what it looks like. It's just bait and switch, bait and switch, bait and switch all day long.
All day long. NVIDIA kind of pissed me off a little bit, but that's cool.
Did it?
Yeah.
What did
I mean, I closed my contract too soon.
I hate when that happens.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got a caller.
It's might be Kelly. And you're live.
Might be Kelly.
Hello.
You're right. It is Kelly. How's it going there, guys?
Kelly.
Oh, what's going on, man?
What up, buddy?
Hey. Oh, not too much, man. We're greetings from Toronto. Just wanted to call and say hi, but I have a new strategy that I'm using. I wanted to run it by you. Let me know what you think. It's actually changed the way I kind of see my trading day. So what I've done is I've only allowed myself to trade until 10:30 every day. And since I've done that, I've had about an 80% green day result. And for me, it just seems because I'm not doing anything after 10:30 as far as trading, it sort of allows me to plan my day. I don't have to check charts until 11:30 and then back on from 2:30 to 2 to 4, 4 o'clock and stuff like that. It's really helped me out a lot. I'm just wondering what you guys think about that.
I think that's great. I think that's a great way to do it. Protects you from over trading. You have your time windows where you trade. If you don't see it, you're done. I like it.
That's it. Yeah. It's discipline. Something we preach in this community all the time, and I love to hear it.
Absolutely, yeah. No, and I just thought I'd share that with you guys in the community as well. And it's just, I don't know, it's a decision like sort of written in concrete. I've always said, like, hey, don't write your decision in sand. Write it in concrete. So once 10:30 comes around, it's just, and the beauty of it is I get to shut my computer down. I get to stop looking at charts. I get to plan a day before because I know I'm stopping at 10:30. And you're right, it is discipline, and any sort of like win like that. Whether, for example, yesterday I actually had a red day, but I still take that day as a win because I shut it down like I said I was going to, and I didn't overtrade, and it was pretty cool. Yeah,
that's exactly what you want, man. That is perfect, Kelly.
Exactly what you want.
You're right. The only problem is I missed Gabe's stream at 10:40 stream. Of course, I could tune in, obviously, but
yeah, it's not mandatory, man. What's mandatory is you're making money. You don't have to watch me.
That's right. No, I do like watching you. Basically, I just have your picture up at my place here. I just stare at that if I'm not actually watching you live, which is cool.
Well, that's a good
you
way
and winning loser are really just.
Oh man. Hey, listen, I didn't go as far as winning loser went, but it's all good. But no, I appreciate you guys, man. It's good. STV, I mean, you're in Boston, so here in Toronto, we had some amazing summer weather over the last week, but now we're back to freaking winter coat temperatures. You guys getting the same thing over there or what?
Same deal. It was like 80 for like 2 days, and then the weather was like, fuck you, stopped out.
Bait and switch. Yeah.
Exactly. I'm sure the marathoners appreciated that on Monday, though. A little bit cooler weather for them, for sure.
If I'm being honest, I don't give a fuck about them. Already warm out.
Well, I know you don't give a fuck about them, but they might give a fuck about them. You know,
that's true.
I know they create a lot of traffic and closures and shit, right? But it's pretty cool. Yeah. I'll be running that race next year. I'm looking forward to it, man. I hope you're still there. You can come out with a sign and cheer me on.
You'll probably be the only person I give a shit about running the race. Now I care about the race because Kelly's running it.
Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. All right, guys. Awesome. Well, thanks again. And thanks again for that NVIDIA level this morning. That really helped me out, man. 2 trades and I was done for the day before 10 o'clock.
Dude,
awesome. Went
that
to the gym,
that was a
got
snipe.
Got some work done.
That was a snipe. I wasn't quick enough on it, but you nailed that.
Yes. Destroyed it.
Thank you. Was NVIDIA yesterday pretty much the same, where I think you and I were both waiting for a retest, which never really came in the morning. I know I missed it yesterday.
I missed it yesterday and today. That's why I hunted the AMD one right above the 200 because I was like, this thing looks pretty good. But yeah, yesterday I wanted the retest. It didn't come down enough, so I wasn't in it. And then today I just wasn't quick enough.
All right. Well, we'll get them tomorrow for sure. I know you had a great day anyway, I'm sure.
Yeah, it was Netflix and, well, what was the other one? AMD were still good.
AMD. Ooh,
Yep.
AMD.
Awesome.
All right. Thanks for calling in, Kelly.
Yeah, nice talking to you guys. Thanks as always. Keep up the amazing work. We love you. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you, Kelly.
Later.
Thanks, guys. Take care.
Take care. And let's see. Can you guys look at AMD 3-minute at 12:06?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see this one. That's fine. You just got stopped out. That's fine. I don't see a problem with that. I mean, you should have waited for the retest, but like retest at the 200 there.
Wait,
But I mean, that wasn't bad.
wait. AMD 3-minute at 12:06. What?
Yeah, breaking the 200 here. It's got a traffic light down.
I'm trying to find. What are you doing here? No. STV, what is that?
Traffic light 11:45 breaks the 200.
All right. Let's see. 3-minute 12:06. The EMAs were lining up as good resistance.
I mean, it's flatlined. Like, yeah, you probably shouldn't have taken it, but since you
got
did,
out
like,
when
okay.
it broke above the 24. This is the trade I should have stayed out of. Wait. What? Okay. The entry at 12:06 was horrible.
Retest the 200. That's not terrible. Off a 3-minute traffic light a couple minutes ago. You're waiting for that break and retest.
Yeah,
it's not great. Like, it's definitely not a good one, but I see what you were thinking.
Let's really look at this. What? Hold on. I'm really trying to understand this here. This is 12:06. You're not telling me call or put. The EMAs were lining up as good resistance. I entered to play puts. You played it puts at 12:06? No. STV, no. That's
retest of the 200 I don't hate, but ideally you're not like, if the trade doesn't work, like, you're not in it. Like, I don't hate the retest there, playing it off of that, but you have to see, like, the 3-minute traffic that was at 11:45. There's no way I'm taking that trade anyway. Like, I wouldn't say you wildly fucked it up, but like, it wasn't an A+ setup.
I'm looking at the time here. I absolutely hate it.
You don't like that retest?
Playing put side?
Yeah, the retest off the 200.
Am I confused here? Like, he's okay.
He's not buying the bottom of the candle. He's buying it at the EMAs, and then once it breaks, he's out.
No, but see, here's the thing. At 12:06, that's this candle, which closes at 12:09. This is 12:03 that closes at 12:06.
Yeah, he said he was entering off of the EMAs. If he entered right at that level, that's terrible. But if he entered right at the EMAs, that's slightly better.
Let's see. Enters put side here, expecting a retest. Why?
Yeah, so he bought at 12:09.
All right. Why?
Retest.
No. How do you play put side when by 12:09 on candle close you have our side coming into a
there you go. Yep. Nope. That doesn't make sense.
Right. You also got thigh gap fingering here. Right. By this candle, also very next candle print. So this closes at 12:09. Very next candle print, you're already showing weakening here. This to the put side does not make sense.
That one's not good.
This does not make sense. So you were expecting a rejection from the 200. You were also expecting a rejection from the EMA, and you were looking at this on the 3-minute. Now this is something. Check it out. Let's go to the 1. Let's mark this candle. And we're coming here 12:05. Before you even entered, you should have referenced the 1 minute here. the 1 minute would have clued you in onto what's really going on in that candle. By the time you hit 1206 or 1207, you've already broken RSI. Your moving average, your MACD already went light pink. You got your reversal signal at the level, and the PSAR candles were already showing green on the 1 minute. This wasn't doing your homework. This sucks. Absolutely sucks. Jesus.
Yeah, that one's not good. I was looking directly at the retest, and I was like, "Oh, yeah, that's not terrible." Then when you look at RSI, MACD, SAR, yeah, no, that looks shitty.
Yeah, they're horrible. And again, especially if you're hunting a retest, right? Especially something like this, if you want precision on something like this, you have to reference the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
If you want any type of precision on what this move is, the 1 minute already showed you it was going the other way. It was not coming back down.
Mm-hmm.
So next time, especially if you're going to play a retest, because you got to remember, you're playing a retest. So on that retest, it's purely speculative at that point. We don't have an actionable alert for you there,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is AMD. We don't have an actionable alert for you in that moment in time between 1206, 1207, 1208, 1209. Not on a 3 minute. So now this is a gamble. You're speculating at this point. Go ahead and gather more information. If that's what your intent was, if that was your plan, you have to go to the 1 minute. There's no way around it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I was trying to I was stuck on this. I'm like, huh?
I saw the retest and I was like, "Oh, break retest." Then I was like, "Oh, traffic light down." And I was like, "Well, that was too far back." I was like, "Well, I can see what you did, but that's not it."
Yeah. Let's see. Danny Mitchell, goodness. I'm looking at Netflix at 1209 was actionable, so I was confused. Okay. Got to check AMD to see what you were saying. Yeah, just check out AMD. All right. So that's that.
Mm-hmm.
I know we had a call come in. It looks like Bluetooth dropped on this. And so nope. Bluetooth dropped on it. I have to reconnect. So no one call.
Technical difficulties. Let's see.
It's always with this damn thing.
Yeah.
With the iPhone in particular. Um, and
I'm like hunting stuff, but there's nothing that I really like.
no, there's really nothing to go. Like, there's really nothing actionable at this point.
Yeah. Even on the swings, like I don't like I'm looking at Red Light Runner and all the other stuff, and I just can't find anything. Maybe the Bitcoin stocks, but other than that, nothing. And we have data tomorrow. It's like, burn it.
All right. Let's see. I think I have our Bluetooth issue fixed. Anybody wants to come in, give us a call.
Let's do it. Ugh. You can pull up yesterday's chart. No, don't be pulling up yesterday's charts.
And no, this just does not seem to be working out. So I'm just going to put them on speakerphone.
That makes sense.
So I'm just going to put him on speaker. Well, he's not going to be able to hear you.
No.
No. All right. Technical difficulties. We have to hang up the line. Sorry, man. Just that's what it is.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hot potato, what's up?
Hot potato.
Might be able to pull this one off. Not sure. Huh. We'll see. I'll see about that later.
What's this one? Dude, this market's crazy. It's just going.
Yeah, it makes absolutely no sense.
Yeah. I mean, guys, remember we were talking about macro this morning? It's like you can't trade off of any like macroeconomic news. It doesn't make any sense to do that ever. You're like, I want to trade macro. It's like, okay, well, no.
Yeah.
See, there's one that I like, but like I need reversals everywhere, and I don't know what time we're gonna get that. Oh, there goes. This is one of those days on the SPY where it makes sense to just like, if you're not in the trend already, just no more. Nothing. Nvidia running finally after a lot of consolidation. Yeah, but look where it is. There's nothing actionable on it. Like, it's nothing. That's the problem with this. I mean, you did just get a 1 minute traffic light up after it's already been extended. Now the RSI is cooking. So it's like, well, do you really want to take that trade?
That trade, no, that's filthy. That's filthy with Nvidia. Yeah, I got out of my calls way too early with Nvidia, that's for sure.
Yeah. What'd you get it off of?
My Nvidia?
Yeah.
I had 275 calls, but they were coming off of the 273 bounce from yesterday.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah.
I love when we're just all on the same page. Like, we were on separate streams and it was just the same fucking thing. We had the level just to a T.
Yeah.
Yeah. The fucking, also, I have a new Tesla is Netflix. I'm saying it right now. Netflix is the new Tesla. Like when Tesla was like $800, $1,000, that's how Netflix moves now. Like, I was looking at it on the chart and I was like, this thing's barely moving. Then I looked at my contracts and they were up like 12%. I was like, what the fuck? Netflix was bouncing in between like 319 and 323, like a $4 range. I was like, whoa.
Yes. Netflix on the daily, though, looks enticing, but I wouldn't chase it.
Downside? Yeah, it's been looking interesting to the downside there. Daily's
Yeah.
about the traffic light. The 4-hour looks icky.
Let's see. Yeah, the 4-hour traffic light, not so bad. Me personally, I shouldn't say this, but fuck it. I'm in CVS to the put side.
Nice.
I'm not going to tell you why, but do your research. You'll find out.
Yeah, we were talking about this one.
Quick 2% scalp on Nvidia. Dope.
There you go. Gabe, Nvidia's coming back up to that level that we were talking about. It could do it like tomorrow, the 281.
Yeah.
It's getting there.
Well, that 4-hour really guided you into that one.
Oh, yeah. The 4-hour is dirty, dude. I love the 4-hour traffic lights. They're so disgusting.
Yeah, they are. Let's see. The AR guy said, enough said. I think the AR guy was like, let me go see. Let me go check out CVS.
Yeah.
He was like, oh, yes.
Yeah, if you guys buy that now, I would say don't. Why are you doing that? That would be a silly thing to do. The thing is down.
Not now.
Yeah,
no,
that would be
now.
dumb. Don't be stupid, team. There's two things that I'm looking at here, and I'm like, well, which way is it gonna? The market, honestly, at this point is 50-50. I think it has an like just as much probability of knifing to 400 as it does shooting to 420.
I think it all really hinges on Tesla.
Yeah, earnings could mess around with the market, and that's the other thing too. That's why I don't really want to be in a lot of swings. Because
Yeah,
if all the market's gonna move on is one piece of data and one earnings, it's like, no thanks.
yeah, but the thing is like you got to look at the nature of like Tesla's business. It's a direct correlation to the consumer credit market. Um, you know, obviously the EV space. There's talks that they're going to discount the Model Y an additional 25%. So
Mhm.
when you consider all those things, it's like, wait a minute, wait a minute. Tesla would definitely be overpriced right now, right? If their balance sheet gets discounted 25% because
But
they're
maybe they'd be able
discounting
to sell
everything.
more. I think that's what they're saying.
That
Maybe they'd
that's
sell
the
more.
theory. That's the theory. But remember, we had this conversation, STV, where it was like other legacy automakers, they're catching up to Tesla. So they're no longer, the only show in town,
Yeah.
right? Tesla was an early adopter, type of product. They proved it out, and then now you have BMW, you have, for crying out loud, you got Lamborghini coming out with that hybrid battery powered, whatever. You see a lot of automakers making that push for EV,
Mhm.
and some people just don't like the simplicity of a Tesla.
Yeah.
They're very, very, very simple in its interior. I like it, but some people are just like, "Er,
Yeah, I'm not a fan of them. I don't like Teslas. Like, they just seem strange to me.
yeah,
Market's getting cooked a little here.
not
She's
worried."
starting to cook a little.
You got Polestar. Yeah, there's a lot of EV
I
examples out
saw one of
there.
those. They look kinda cool, but, like, again, it goes to Gabe's point. It's like there's a lot of companies doing it. Tesla's a software company selling cars. People try to make that point, but they're still gonna make the most money selling cars.
Yeah,
Maybe their charging network could be that golden goose, but they're gonna make the most of their money selling cars.
yeah, yeah. Um, James is still hunting a drop. James, let it go.
Let it go.
Um, I had high hopes for the Lightning, the F-150, the Lightning.
Yeah,
That's had its own issues. You would expect from a new product like that, right?
yeah.
Question: do past traffic lights repaint? I'm using the 1 minute chart on TradingView. It looks like
Yeah.
previous lights that were red 10 minutes ago have repainted to green.
Nope,
No.
they don't repaint themselves.
Um,
Maybe, I mean, you can see one flash yellow, but it won't go green red. No.
already heard it from the horse's mouth here. Hot potato. He says no.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay, so the market could come up to here. I mean, SPX has some interesting levels at like 4158, which on the SPY is going to look like probably 41470.
okay.
That would be my guess on this one. 41450, somewhere around there. It's just losing steam. 3 minutes starting to give it away a little. Let's see.
Oh boy. Oh my god, winning loser. Do what you want.
What did he do now?
January 2025 call Mullen for 50 cents.
Why? Why? That would be so bad. Why would you do that?
It's at 8
Oh,
cents right
yeah.
now.
None of that makes sense. Mullen's a piece of garbage, dude. Please don't be doing that. Ugh.
Uh,
I Those stocks just make my stomach hurt.
Oh yeah, they do. They do. They really, really do. Oh boy.
A little slippage here. You're seeing thigh gap give it away a little bit, but nothing too aggressive. Let's see. Hey, you got a minute left on this 3-minute candle too on the SPY. Ars. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see that?
3-minute SPY?
Yeah. Holy shit, that was big.
That's what she said.
You guys hear that sound in the background? Order filled. What do you think? I'm fucking around with futures over here. How much did I just make on that?
How much you make?
On that trade, I think I realized like 1,000 out of 1,500 total.
Sweet.
Through the stop at break even.
Oh man.
I didn't think that was gonna happen. And I'm just playing around with it too to just see how they move, where to put orders and things like that. Next week, I'll probably really focus in on it and lock in and be like, all right, screw around with it. But this week is just testing stuff out. It's paper too. Like, this is not real. This is me playing with it.
He's learning, ladies and gents. He's playing with the UI. He's learning the UI.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me do this here. 2, 3. Let's do that. That was a big ass candle. Jesus.
Let's see. Yeah, that was a pretty massive candle. And on a 3-minute, yeah, she breaks that 24. She's coming back down to 413.57. So
what's the 24 at right now? The price of it?
That's gonna be 414.
That's a good level.
414.02. Yeah, that's the level at the 24 and the 3.
Let's see. On the 1 hour. Nice, Tyler. Tyler's trying to do a little funding challenge with FTMO. That sounds fun. Good for you, buddy. Tesla has the largest profit margins in the industry because they make most parts in-house. Yeah, so they have the ability to decrease prices. They just did that shit again.
Yeah.
I'm moving my stop. Oh, I have to delete this. See, this is the problem with it. I have to like randomly modify. How many do I have? Okay.
Oh man.
They just did that shit again. Wow. Wow. There you go.
This could get interesting. Candle close. We're on a 3-minute. We get a candle close on a 3 below this. It could get interesting. Thigh gap signaling down. SAR candle signaling down. RSI about to break 50. MACD showing some red. This could get interesting.
Oh yeah. So that was literally just a 3-minute thigh gap trade.
Pretty much, yeah.
That was all that was. That one wasn't as good. It was just screaming with RSI hot. That was a slightly different type of trade there, but same thesis.
Well, that was mean. That was really mean.
Bro, if I showed you the screen right now, you'd be like, what the fuck did you just do? It was so simple. It was just like thigh gap going dark light, bing, bang, boom, done.
Yeah. So what we're contending with right now is the 48 on a 3-minute with the SPY.
We're in the cloud. That's another way to look at things too, guys. Like if you're in this cloud here, it may not make the best. Like you could play things back into the little cloud that we have set up.
Yeah.
The challenge has been making you a lot more disciplined with your risk management because they have the max daily drawdown. Yeah. Does it trail too? If it trails, you could be in an interesting situation there.
Very.
Because you could
very
go up
interesting.
5, and if the trailing drawdown's 3, I mean, you don't want to lose 3, but it depends. You got to look at the rules of those accounts. Let's see. You thought
Explain
that
the
was
cloud a little more.
It's just showing you the distance between the 13 and the 48, and it changes colors based on which one's on top of the other. It's a nice little added visual.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's to be. Oh my God, we gotta spell everything out. Take out your tampon. Jeez.
We do.
Oh man. I was like, damn, my man, just straight sipping it out of the bottle.
It's the I brought the chug jug back. I got another one yesterday because I was feeling like garbage, so I got one of those. Drank a shitload of liquid IV, brand new today.
Oh yeah. Yesterday you were like shit.
I was out. I was like after 5 o'clock. I was like, poof, done.
Yeah. All right. Looks like we're done here, boys and girls. Nothing.
Yeah, it's coming back up.
Nothing really exciting happening. On the 1 minute, you could see it's got a reversal right back up. So you broke the 24 in the 1 minute. Traffic light happened, brought you down to a level. Our side bounce, reverse. Yeah. I don't trust this market.
I don't either.
To be in it too long. I really don't.
Neither do I. I have a stop set at like a profit level of like 2.25 points.
Oh boy.
If it hits it, it hits it. Am I hitting the gym today? No, I got to make bunches of videos for you guys and do the midweek masterclass at 6. So no, I will not be going to the gym.
Oh, you got a long day today.
We got a lot of good stuff for the midweek masterclass, though.
Yeah. Yes. All right. This market has gotten me real good. Because you let it?
Yeah. Don't let it. It's you. See, this is the thing that you guys have to understand. Every single action, the performance outcome in the market is all up to you. It's your fault when you lose. It's your fault when you win. There is some action that you took in the market to generate a certain outcome every single time. Whether it's not looking at one of the things that you should have been looking at, whether it's moving your stops or things like that, it all comes down to you at the end of the day. You're able to do it. It's just how well are you able to execute it? Just because you see a really good opportunity in the market doesn't mean that you're going to be able to capitalize on it. You have to be able to.
Have to. Yep. You have to. All right, boys and girls. We're signing out.
Peace.
Bye. Okay. You didn't even let me get to like the fucking black screen, bro. He's already like you gotta take a shit or something.
I wanted to catch it early today.
Jesus Christ. Peace.
Later. Bye.
He gets me every time. This shit never gets old. Peace out, guys.